Meaning of epoxy.
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 Epoxy. Epoxy is a type of polymer that is made by mixing two components together, a resin and a hardener. When the two ingredients are combined, a chemical reaction occurs that creates a strong, durable material. Epoxy is commonly used in construction, automotive, and electronic applications due to its excellent adhesive properties, chemical resistance, and mechanical strength. The result of using epoxy as a bonding agent is a bond that is typically stronger than the materials being bonded together. Epoxy can also be used for coating surfaces, resulting in a smooth and glossy finish.